What's up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything. We shoot them over top to create new interesting color combinations that you guys get to vote on and decide, do you love it, do you hate it? 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys rate it anywhere you want to. This is all for fun. These are just test spray outs. And yeah, so I got a fender prepped up behind me today, so that can only mean one thing. We're going to be 3-toning it. I've got gloss black Rustoleum, khaki Rustoleum, and gloss white Rustoleum. So I'm going to blend it from one to the other. Start on one side, black, then khaki, then white. And then we're going to go over it with a brand new eye candy pigment called Glimmer Ghost Gold. I've had a lot of people asking for gold over white, trying to get that Cadillac tri-coat look. Also, I've had a couple people ask about khaki over gold and black. Well, you know, you can always go for like a Java black pearl or something like that. And I think the Glimmer Ghost Gold is going to complement all 3 colors. So that's what we're going to do. We'll start off spraying this Rustoleum behind me, and then we'll jump into some Glimmer Ghost Gold by Eye Candy Pigments. Let's get into today's video. So we got our 3 Rustoleum colors laid down: gloss black, khaki, gloss white. I am using the Finish 1 clear today to do this pearl. That's 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener. And now Glimmer Ghost Pearl from Eye Candy Pigments. Now this is a really cool ghost pearl / interference pearl, whatever you want to call it. But bottom line is it shows up really good when the sun hits it, and then when you're in the shade it kind of disappears, kind of like a ghost. So I got a 5-gram sample bag. I've had really good luck here lately with doing 5 grams over, you know, this whole mix. So I've got 5 ounces total of clear in the mix. I'm gonna do the whole 5 grams of this today, and then I'm gonna shoot it over this. But before we do that, I'm gonna bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. All right, guys. So this is Glimmer Ghost Gold in the mix before I get to stirring, and then when we get to stirring, it starts to disappear, but you definitely see it at certain angles. It always makes the mix look kind of white, but you see the sheen when the light hits it, and it's just a really cool effect overall whenever you're doing one of these ghost pearls. But enough talking with it. Let's load up the Vevor gun, and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun here loaded up with some of this Glimmer Ghost Gold from Eye Candy Pigments. This is a 1.4 tip Vevor gun. I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger on the regulator. If you decide you want to replicate by settings, feel free to. We're going to do a light coat first on this today, check for reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get the desired effect. Then we'll take it out in the sun, see what we got. We'll put my mask on, and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so Glimmer Ghost Gold over Gloss White, Gloss Khaki, and Gloss Black. Now I did go a little bit heavier on everything today, but I wanted you guys to see this effect good, especially since I was doing white, and a lot of people were wanting that kind of Cadillac gold pearl look over white, and I think we definitely nailed it today, but over the other colors, I don't know. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. A really cool Glimmer Ghost Gold Pearl by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss White, Gloss Khaki, and Gloss Black. Now, a lot of people want to see that Cadillac white with the gold pearl on it, and I think we succeeded today. I went a little heavy on the pigment load, so you'd really be able to see it over white, because I've had a lot of people complain in past videos that they couldn't see the pearls very good over white, and it is kind of tricky to catch on camera, but I think we did good today. Over the Gloss Khaki, it was a great effect. That gold really complements that khaki. And over the Gloss Black, since we went aggressive, it almost turned it into like a dark gold, pagan gold, which looks really cool as well as far as I'm concerned. So 3 different color choices, and you guys rate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen. And rate it anywhere in between. Like I said, these are just test spray outs, all in fun. And yeah, if you like Glimmer Ghost Gold and you want to use it for your next project, I am an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments, so I can get you guys a discount. Links will be in the description. And at checkout, just enter WAW shop, while shop at checkout. You get a discount. It goes to help out the channel, and it's a win-win for both of us. And you can do that with any of my videos. We got over 100 plus spray outs, and links are always in the description, so you guys can purchase it for your next project. The Finish One Clear works great with Rustoleum. It just works great overall. I use it for a lot of my automotive projects as well. The mask, the paint gun, everything I use on this channel, guys. Links are always in the description. Just go to my Amazon store. That's the one that says As Seen on YouTube. You click on that, it takes you to my store, and you get everything for the same price I do. And you know, you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime. We do get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and it goes to help out the channel. So, and if you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out tremendously. Ring that bell notification. It only takes a second, and it'll notify you anytime a new episode comes out, be it a paint job, a spray out, a tutorial. We do a little bit of everything on this channel, guys, and we have a lot of fun. So definitely do that. Leave me a like, hit that little thumbs up. Drop me a comment, let me know what you thought of these different colors, or what's your favorite spray out we've done so far, and what spray out have we not done that you'd like to see next. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I really appreciate you guys for always sticking with me and watching the channel. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.